Baby Boo.
Baby Boo woke up and said, let's explore the world ahead. Packed her hat and shiny shoes. To Africa, shouted Boo. Baby Boo, what will you see? Elephants, lions, and a tall giraffe shriek. Drums are playing, people dance with glee. On an African adventure, come with me. First we sailed on the Nile so wide, so wide. Saw hippos, sparks, and birds glide by, by. Crocodiles smiled with teeth so bright. Baby Boo giggled with delight. Baby Boo, what will you see? Zebras are running, monkeys swing so free. Markets full of colors, what a sight to be. On an African adventure, come with me. Baby Boo tried food so sweet, sweet. Spicy stew and warm flatbread to eat, to eat. Mangoes, bananas, papaya too. Yum, 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 said Baby Boo. She danced in a village square. Drums went boom and filled the air. Children laughed and clapped in time. Baby Boo twirled in the sunshine. Baby Boo, what will you see? Rhinos in the grasslands, big as can be. Camels in the desert, walking carefully. On an African adventure, come with me. A mountain, oh so high. We saw eagles soar in the sky, a sky. Waterfalls roared, the rainbows gleamed. Africa's magic was like a dream. Baby Boo, we've seen so much. Animals and people, cultures to touch. From sunrise to sunset, wild and free. What an African adventure full of glee. Good night, Africa. Baby Boo loves you.